morning. Today is Thursday the 23rd. I'm vlogging again. You go, girl. So I was supposed to be at an event this morning, and I'm not doing makeup. I'm just brushing my eyebrows out. I just cleaned them up a little bit, and so yeah, I'm just trying to brush them up a little bit so they look a little bit nice. On days when I don't have makeup on, I just feel like my eyebrows have to look like cute. What was I saying? Oh yeah, I was supposed to go to some event today. That's just not happening this morning. This morning I'm supposed to go because yesterday a campaign that I was a campaign went through yesterday. So the campaign went through, it was approved by the brand, and I received the contract and the brief all yesterday. And today I need to shoot, edit, caption, everything, do the whole shebang, send off for approval, get it approved today, same day, which means I need to shoot this at the latter part or the former part of the day. And then it gets approved today before end of play, and it goes up tomorrow. So I just couldn't make the event. As fun as it would have been, it would have just been wasting my time, essentially, seeing as I'm not being paid to be there. Okay, money afi make. Money afi make. Oh Lord. So yeah, I also need to film this morning, so it made sense. I need to paint my nails. I took my polish off yesterday because I washed my hair, and when I wash my hair, my polish tends to chip. So I'm gonna film this week's video right now, and then I'm going to paint my nails, and then I'm gonna go meet Junior. Guys, my little brother Junior got engaged last month. If you follow me on Instagram, which you really should. If you're not following me on Instagram, I mean, I don't know about your life, you know. You need to sort that out. That's between you and your God. Sort yourself out. But yeah, Junior got engaged, and I got to bake his engagement cake, actually, which was such an honor and a privilege. And I was so worried about it at first because, you know, I mean, I bake for family and friends or whatever, but I don't bake for people. And other people that didn't know me were going to be there to eat it. So I was real nervous, but it came out so cute. I'm going to put some shots in there, put some shots here. It came out really, really cute. I was really happy with it. It tasted amazing. People were like, oh, can I place an order? I said, with who? Me? Little old me? I was so gassed. And I was like, oh, sorry, I don't bake like that, but thank you. You're real cute. It was a real confidence boost, you know. My baking is really coming along. Oh, and this is all I do to my wash and goes in the morning, by the way. I take off my scarf and I just lift the roots and shake it out of it. And that's it. I don't do anything else. The sun is behind me, so it looks a bit crazy, but that's it. I'm going to visit my friend Veronica tomorrow. Veronica had a baby, and yeah, Veronica had a baby. And you know, you can't go and visit people who just gave birth and take empty hands. You have to take food. So I'm going to be cooking some food to take to her tomorrow. So I'm going to pick up all the extra things that I need.
Everything on you shine bright. You know how to spend your money, no lie. Many come and go, no ties. You don't want nobody waste your time, oh. Say I'm only one of your types, but tonight I'm the one of your mind, oh. Say you do whatever I like, but I gotta learn to treat you right. Bossy ways, bossy moves, bossy girls wanna take control. Take my soul, leave you cold. She got her own and she don't want mine, but I know what you want. Want me come and love you, numb. And the only time she call my phone when she wanna get the yum. Yeah, you boss it. She's boss it, yeah.
I got some new gym gear. I thought this was real cute. Really cute, really cute. And I think it's actually perfect for my shoot today, so this is what I'm going to be wearing. I need to leave the house soon, but I'm just going to record my video real quickly and then go.
Anywhere she goes, she's bossy. When you see her walk, she's bossy. Anywhere she goes, she's bossy. When you see her walk, she's bossy. She my number one, yeah, you bossy.
Got it, no big, the boy could crash. You know I did, man, top for your kiss. No waste, no time, please don't be late. She did my shit, did that, can't relate it. Kill a man slow, do a man slow.
Gang.
Gang.
You ready to shoot?
Very much.
All right. How's life treating you?
What can I say? Managing. Thriving.
I told them that you got engaged.
Did you?
Yeah.
She is correct. I'm engaged.
How does it feel being an engaged man?
It's good. It does feel good. I feel defeated.
You feel fulfilled?
I'm trying. Feels good.
So, I want to get some stuff in the trolley.
Yeah.
And then we'll take like a cute picture of me
Cute
with the
pictures.
trolley. Like,
Wonderful.
and then,
I'm shopping.
I'm shopping.
Okay,
No, I'm
cool.
actually shopping.
Cool.
I need stuff for the house. Please remind me to take out money from the cash point for mum.
Alright.
And then we'll get some close-ups, and then also get a close-up of my hand with the app doing the smart shopping
Okay. Alright,
thing.
cool.
And then there'll be a final one where we show. I like to do stories, but let's just do the shots first, and then
Okay.
the story
Let's
is
do
where
it.
the issues with the app is happening at the moment. Okay.
Let's do it.
I'm going to see Veronica tomorrow, so I'm making jollof.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm taking some jollof, and I thought instead of doing like chicken or beef or whatever, I'm doing smoked, like peppered smoked turkey.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
That sounds lovely.
Yeah, that's what I thought as well. It's okay, you can turn it off.
I can turn it off, did you say?
Yeah.
I thought I'm literally doing it.
Oh, okay,
as
no,
we
yeah,
go.
let's vlog then.
Yeah?
What do I need for
Oh,
tomorrow?
I get it now. Okay. So before you were telling me those are the main things you need to capture.
Oh
You
yeah,
just
no, those are
explained.
pictures that we need to capture for the campaign. This is just my personal vlog of the day. So it's okay, you can keep it on.
Okay.
Blah, blah, blah. And that's what I said to her. I said, don't worry, it's the fruit and veg you find me anyway.
It's true. I can verify. Not only the fruit and veg though.
Not only the fruit and veg. Okay, I said I'll be using the Smart Shopper app. You got back to me.
Let me go, she said I'm the one. To me you belong. If you do me wrong, I'ma be on the run. This kind love go kill a person. Anything she want, she go kill a person. When she never think say I be silly person. Cause this
I know
love
what
don't
you
love
want me come and love you, nah. And the only time she call my phone when she wanna get the yum. Yeah, you boss it. She's bossy. She's bossy. Anywhere she goes, she's bossy. When you see her walk, she's bossy. Anywhere she goes, she's bossy. When you see her walk, she's bossy. She my number one, yeah, you bossy. I give myself to you, I give my all to you. Nobody ever see me like this. No time I ever feel like this. Wonder how you got me so deep.
Good morning. It's 8:42 on this Friday morning, and I'm heading out. So basically this morning we're cooking for Veronica and family for my visit. Oh, by the way, yesterday that shoot was a whole nightmare, but I'll pop some other pictures that we got in here. And then my friend Solene couldn't come in the end, but yeah, anyway, so I've done all my shopping that I need to cook this meal in the course of the week. And then last night my mom was like, oh, have you checked the rice? Like, is there rice? And I was just like, what do you mean, girl? Like, there's always rice at home. Like, we always have rice. We buy like kilos and kilos of rice in this house, because my mom cooks like a whole barrel of jollof for my nephews, like literally every week. So I went to check and there's actually no rice. So we're going to the Chinese wholesalers, or the Asian grocers, however you guys want to call it. And we're gonna go buy some jasmine rice, because I prefer jasmine rice for my jollof. We're also gonna pick up some water, and then we're gonna come back and cook together. I can't remember if I told you guys what we're cooking, but we're making coleslaw, and we're making obviously some jollof rice, and then we're making like peppered smoked turkey. Not too spicy. I asked Veronica, she said mild. I mean, I don't know how to do mild, so I'll just literally maybe use like 1 Scotch bonnet or something. So yeah, I mean, let's go. And before anybody comes to drag me for wearing a bonnet outside, this is a turban. This is a 100% silk turban, sweetie. Not satin, silk. Okay, silky, 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 silky. All right.
Normal temperature.
Hi, JJ. Yeah. Sorry, baby, I can't run your face. Don't worry, I'm going home. camera natin, ano?
Girl, you dey ginger me. I'ma get show my why. You dey confuse me. You know get my love. Girl, you dey ginger me. Anytime, any day. You dey confuse me. Girl, you dey ginger me. I'ma get show my why. You dey confuse me. You know get my love. Girl, you dey ginger me. Anytime, any day. You dey confuse me.
Oh yeah, pass the jollof. Jollof on the jet. That party jollof. Jollof on the jet. I can't get enough. Jollof on the jet.
Funny boy, bust up my medulla.
Bakora fimbo mechi mechi kali vile geto na kachakaza. Kunya chaga boko boko ni bilio ya neno kunyamaza. Yeah, you turn good man to be bad man for your lover. Yeah, you wanna eat, I go give you kumkumba and my cassava. Katoto soft, huna kipili. Base ni chune, yote michili. Kula baga, nilete mbili. Acha simata na shawa unekere. Baby, you don't know that you're the one who lives in my soul. I want you to know I will never let you go.
Oh yeah, pass the jollof. Jollof on the jet. That party jollof. Jollof on the jet. I can't get enough. Jollof on the jet. Jollof on the jet. Make you pass the jollof. Jollof on the jet. That party jollof. Jollof on the jet. Me, I can't get enough. Jollof on the jet. Jollof on the jet. Jollof on the jet.
Girl, you dey ginger me. I'ma get show my why. You dey confuse me. You know get my love. Girl, you dey ginger me. Anytime, any day. You dey confuse me. Girl, you dey ginger me. I'ma get show my why. You dey confuse me. You know get my love. Girl, you dey ginger me. Anytime, any day. You dey confuse me.
Do you want to say hi? Excuse me. Excuse me. Excuse me. Hello. No hi. Okay guys, I'm finally done. I still need to bath and I need to go, but I just thought I'll show you what I've made. I also need to clean up, but made a whole bunch of coleslaw and I've got theirs ready to go. So some coleslaw, some peppers, smoked turkey, and of course some jollof rice. I packed some for Junior because he requested some yesterday. You hear my mum saying oh ho in the background. And I left a little bit for us to have. But yeah, gonna get ready and head out.